Hi there, so today I'm going to do a review of one of the credit repair softwares. If you've been looking for a way to manage credit repair, whether for yourself or as a business, you probably come across something called Client Dispute Manager software. Now in this video, I'm going to give you an honest look at what it is, what it offers, and what makes it a great software to use. So what exactly is Client Dispute Manager? Client Dispute Manager is a cloud-based software designed to help you manage dispute process more easily. It has tools to track and manage clients, create and print dispute letters, and it also includes resources to train yourself or your team along the way. You can definitely use this to fix your own credit at first, but it's really built for people who want to start, run, and grow a credit repair business. Even though you can technically use Client Dispute Manager to fix your own credit, it's more like a complete business tool to help you manage clients, automate workflows, and stay organized, especially if you're serious about offering credit repair services to others. So Client Dispute Manager is really the right tool to start, run, and grow your credit repair business. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their website, and you already know we're going to check their pricing. Now Client Dispute Manager is very affordable. As you can see, you can get started for as low as $107, and this is on their starting plan. Now while on the starting plan, these are all the features that you can access. You can add up to 125 clients. You can add one team member, so if you have a virtual assistant or staff, you can go ahead and give them access to the software. You get access to the AI and Metro 2 disputes, the client auto sign up to get your customers signed up and onboarded online. So basically you get all the core features that you need for your credit repair business. Now the rest of the plans are very affordable as well. They have the growing plan, which is $169 per month, and it says here this is their most popular plan. This will let you add 250 clients, and you can add up to 2 team members. You also get access to all of the core features that you would need, plus advanced features like the Smart Interviewer and the affiliate website lead form. And then lastly, you can do the enterprise plan for $329 per month. This gives you 500 clients, 4 team members, all the core and advanced features, plus you get one website for free and the Credit Repair Masterclass, which is a full course on credit repair. Aside from that, there's also resources like business training, and you also get exclusive replays to dispute events where you can learn different dispute techniques and strategies. So they definitely offer a lot. So the Client Dispute Manager is pretty well balanced between the software as a tool while also getting training and resources at the same time. Now if you check here, they also provide free training. They have free live walkthroughs every Monday through Friday from 2 to 3 where they talk about the software. They also provide free mastermind meetings where they talk about dispute methods and business strategies. Aside from that, you also get a free credit business course, free dispute letter system, and free debt collector strategy. They also have a roadmap that you can check out if you're starting and growing a credit repair business. And if you think that's not enough, they also have a credit hub on their website. This is where you can access blogs about the software, and they have topics like credit bureaus, credit repair business, credit repair marketing, Metro 2 letters, and most especially starting a credit repair business. To get started with the software, they provide a 30-day free trial so you can test it out. You just need to click on here. And you can also schedule a 30-minute walkthrough with their support team so they can show you how it works, which is really amazing. So enough about the website. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Client Dispute Manager software. So this is the software right here. You have your dashboard. You have the side menu options. You have notification icons up here. And overall, it looks really good. Now let me show you what's amazing about this software. They have training videos available across all the screens. So if you're new and you need a reference for how a certain screen works, you can watch the training videos right there as you go. Now aside from the training videos, you also have access to automation resources. You can find them right here. You also have Get Customers, which shows you 200 ways to get more customers. This is where you'll get a list of free or paid, online or offline marketing ideas. You can also go through their Start, Run, and Grow training, and they also have business strategies. Now under their partner resources, you have merchant accounts. This is where you can find a list of merchant providers that can help you apply for a merchant account. You can also sign up to become an affiliate with the credit monitoring companies like Smart Credit or MyFreeScore Now. And they also have a Facebook community where you can connect with other credit repair experts. This is where you can post your credit repair or dispute questions, and you can also share your knowledge with the community. Aside from that, they also have different dispute strategies that you can find in the software. They have this dispute playbook that you can access, and this is where you can find all the different dispute strategies and workflows that help you with the dispute process. And the best thing about Client Dispute Manager in my opinion is access to their support team. They have chat, where you can chat with their support team live. They also have a help screen up here, where you can schedule a 30-minute walkthrough via Zoom with their support team. You can send them a message if you have questions or issues with the software. And they also have a phone number if you want to talk to a live person. Also, they have their group training, which is a live training every Monday to Friday from 2 to 3. Now, their support team is available Monday to Friday from 11 o'clock in the morning to 7 p.m. Now, let's go ahead and quickly navigate through the system. You have here the customer screen. This is where you're going to manage all your customers and leads. Now, as you can see, I already have customers listed here. Now, when you click on a customer's name, this will take you to the customer information screen or the customer profile. From here, you can see the customer's credit score, their improvement, and the dispute status and overview for that customer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at their letter vault. This is where you can find all the dispute letter templates available inside the software. You have here the credit bureau letters, the creditor letters, collector letters, respond letters, and manual letters if you want to add your own letter in the software. So all of these letters are available for you if you want to manually build out your dispute process. Now, another thing that's great about Client Dispute Manager is this. If you don't want to build your disputes manually, you can use their AI tools. They have the AI/method to attack letter feature. This is the AI integrated feature where AI can create your dispute letters from scratch. It'll automatically select a reason and instruction based on the items you're disputing. So this definitely makes your dispute process more efficient and helps you save a lot of time, so you can focus on other areas of the business. Now, if that's not enough to help you stay efficient and organized, they also have client auto sign-up features. These client auto sign-up features help automate the sign-up process so your customers can sign up on their own and go through the full onboarding process without you needing to do everything manually. You have the client auto sign-up lead form that you can add to your website. You have the client auto sign-up link, so you can send a direct link to a customer, or if you want to add a sign-up link on your marketing or social media, you can go ahead and do that too. And they also have the self-service sign-up feature where you can have your entire sign-up and onboarding process done entirely on your website. Now, these are just some of the features they have, and they have a lot more. And lastly, to wrap up this review of Client Dispute Manager, let's take a look at their customer testimonials. If you want to hear what customers have to say, they have the Happy Customer section on their website where you can watch all of the testimonials. And that is my review of the Client Dispute Manager software. So I recommend you go ahead and give them a try today.